In this video, I'll show you how to insert the paper inside of your HP LaserJet M110we. It's very easy. So take your stack of paper. I think this printer can take up to 60 pages. Maybe I'm wrong, but it can take quite a lot. Then you're going to stick your finger over here where you see there's a slot and pull down this small door. You can also extend this door by flipping this plastic over here like that. Then we need to insert the paper, but you may notice there's these two plastic guide. This is in case you want to print on an envelope or some smaller paper. You'll have to bring them in this position. If you want to print on a normal sheet of paper, 8.5 by 11, I think, you're gonna take your finger and gonna push the right guide over here, the white one, to the extremity, all the way over here. You can see, I know it's hard to see, but if you check your printer, you're gonna see it says 8.5 in this position. Take your paper and simply glide it all the way inside until you feel it reach the end. And you're done. This is how you insert the paper, and just before printing I also suggest you extend this plastic over here all the way there, and then flip the end as well, since the paper that will get printed will end up over here, and if you don't do this, it will just fly around your desk and it will be all mixed up. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to my Printer Insider channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.